I think it's pronounced bird.
Bird noise and vibration control. What?
I didn't know birds make that much noise.
Go around!
No, young pirates. BRD. Wind gaps, hidden gem. Come on in.
Steinmetz. I'm a design engineer. I majored in mechanical engineering at Penn State University, and now I'm here.
Part of sales is once you get a sale in, you kind of turn it over to everyone else here at the office. So,
Where's the gem? Have you seen the hidden gem? No. What do you mean? No. Let's go.
It's actually kind of a fun place. So it's unique what we do here. You don't find too many people making the products we make, doing what we do. We kind of make people's world a little quieter. That's pretty unique.
Stephen Smith. I'm a project manager at BRD, and I manage the project management departments and the engineering departments. Help make schools, hospitals quieter. It's an overlooked thing, but they appreciate quiet when they're trying to go about their business and work and things like that.
Well, not too many people know about this place, but just drive right by this place and not even know that this is a business.
What are you doing here? You're the cameraman!
So, and I cut the stuff in the back and I stuff it. And I even drive the forklift, especially if you get bored easy.
Yeah, expand.
I've always done this since I've been 18 years old. I've been sewing for 35 years. It's just something that I like to do. My grandma taught it to me and I just continue to do it.
You know, I mean, just work is about people and the people who come here. We try to have a good time every day, and kind of proud of what we do, so it all works.
I've been working here for about a year. It'll be a year on December 4th.
It's a very flexible and nice working environment. The people here are very, very nice. Very, very easy to work with, and it's a good team.
Is this the hidden gem? The hidden gem.
We are the hidden gem.
I told you guys.
No, you didn't.